Hi everyone, welcome to this episode of GstarCAD Tips and Tricks. Today, I will actually be showing you this command here called Layer Translator. Over here, I have a drawing that is given to me by one of my colleagues. And then the first impression you have on this drawing will be everything is actually drawn using white color. And then if you are going to open up the Layer Properties Manager, you can see there are some layers created with their naming being given as well, and then the color set accordingly. But then this all these settings that is being set over here, it doesn't follow the standards of the company. So the next example over here, I'll be showing you how to convert all these example, the namings, the color, to follow the standards that you have set, that's been set in the company. Okay, so I'll just close this manager, and then to convert the settings, right, we have to go to the Manage tab and then execute the Layer Translator command. Okay, once you open up this window, the top left window will show all the layers that you have in the current drawing. And then now I will proceed to load in the standard files that is been created by the company. So I'll just load in the standard file. And then you can see the standards file. The standards file has been imported in, and then you can see the naming of the files is different between the two files as well. So I'll just proceed to use the map same button, and then the system is able to map two layers over here according to the namings, and then all the rest of the layers are not being mapped. As you can see, there are some leftover informations on the top left window. So in this case, we have to do the mapping individually ourselves. So I'll just select the dimension here, and then I'll map it to the ACAD_DIMS, and then click on the map button, and then mapping will be done, and then the information will be transferred to the bottom window under Layer Translation Mappings. Right, so I'll just proceed to map the rest of the informations here. Okay, one by one. The hatching informations, the text, the wall, and the window. Okay, so once I finish mapping all the informations that I need to convert, the top left window will be empty. So after that, we can then go to the bottom left corner. There's a settings button. Okay, once you click on that, there are some settings that you can configure before you translate the informations. So I would like to enable the first four options, which is to force the object color, line type, and transparency to follow the by layer option. And then the last one that I enable will be the translate object in blocks. And then I'll save the settings here, and then I'll proceed to translate by clicking on the translate button at the bottom right. And then this small window will pop out, and then they'll give you two options, whether you want to translate only or you want to translate and then save the mapping information so that you can do the mapping after that more quickly with the information spec that's being exported out. So I'll just choose the first option, and then I'll save the mapping informations over here. I'll name it as mapping information and then save it. And then you can see all the informations over here has been converted to follow the standards of your company. Okay, and then you can actually open up the Layer Properties Manager, and then you can see the naming has been changed as well, and then the color has been changed according to the standards as well. Okay, so that's the end of my video. Thanks for watching.